Hey guys, it is Minecrafter6336 with a new friend of mine. His name is
Techno Freak.
And today
I like redstone.
Yes, he does. So I am playing on Nick's server. I just wanted to show you guys some of his server, and as you can see, he's right here. And then looks like survival games. Looks like you can join survival games. Let me tell him I'm recording. So I'm telling him that. And then over there, hang on, over here, MC Infected is coming soon. And I get to show you guys a little sneak peek of High Rise. Hang on. Okay, sorry. And over here is basically like gun game. Wait, there was gun game. Huh, well, he must be fixing it. And then over here, there's parkour all the way up to his sign that says Nick. And then over here, it's parkour. And then here, let me try to get over there. Okay, made it. Over here, it's just a little joke. It says Nick plus a lamp plug equal heart. So and just in case you guys don't know who Lana Plug is, it's a friend of Nick's. So, oh no, I died. And guys, I have a new skin. Oh, here, let me show you. Here's my new skin.
Oh, that's cool.
So, and then let's hear. I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek of High Rise because he's done some. So let me do, and you can TP. So you do type dash WARP warp High Rise HIGHRISE.
Ties. It's ties.
Warp does not.
No, you said ties.
Oh, sorry. Type dash.
He is a major non-speller. He's bad at spelling. No offense.
Yeah, sometimes I am. High Rise, and so this will be like a little sneak peek of High Rise. So
he's done a lot since I saw it.
Yeah, and over here, I want you to see this building. It's pretty neat inside. I'm gonna just give you a little sneak peek. He's done a lot.
A lot, yeah.
He's taken a lot of his time, and this I don't even know how you can make it. I think you need like a speed potion, a swiftness. Cause watch, I'm pretty good at parkour, and I think you have to double jump. Oh. See, I don't get that. So, I don't get how you're supposed to make that. So, anyways, somehow, if you end up making it, you can... Sorry about the lag, guys. You can go up here, and then you can jump, 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 jump. And then go over here.
Just do stuff.
Okay, so what you can do is you can go over here. And I like this one better than the old High Rise. So far it's coming out, and then there's a whole new thing, but as you can see, if you come up here, then come up here, you cannot get in here. I think that's kind of stupid. Because see, if I shift click, can't go through unless, yeah, fly. So I think that's kind of stupid.
He got that done in like a day.
He got this done. It took him a while because he had to do all the interior.
Yeah, but last time I saw it, it was like a day ago, and he got all that done.
He's done a lot.
Yeah, that wasn't even there.
Most of this, like, here, I'll show you at the top. Like, whoa, I was on here like an hour ago, and he's finished this. You could get on the top there earlier. And that, last time I was in there, like, there was like no inside. And in here, dang it, I think he has it off. Wait, right here, what you used to be able to do is you could glitch, hang on, let me try. Well, as you can see, there's a lever there. And what you could do is you would be able to hit the lever and then turn it on or off. And I asked him, he said he wanted it on, so I left it on. I don't know what he did. So over here, I believe there will be a crane out here, and then come over here, and then over there. So this is just like a little sneak peek of his. And then he said, if you guys don't watch his channel, go to type in Niick or N11CK, and it'll bring him up. And then here's like a little tunnel. This wasn't even here last time. And then I suppose you could actually parkour up here, I think. Here, let me try. I'm sorry about it looking pretty weird because I'm using my phone. I don't have Bandit Cam because I don't really have the money right now. So, here, hang on. Let me go over here. And then come down. I think you can come up here and then go. Oh, yeah, there. You can get up here and then just hit people off with your sword. So, this is basically... And then to go back, you just type dash spawn.
Yep.
Spawn. And then, so here he has parkour. Actually, he's done a lot. This wasn't here too long ago.
I can walk right over that, pretty much.
Yeah, this wasn't here at all. And then he's done a lot. And then over here, if you come up.
Secret area.
Yeah, there's a little secret area. Not a lot of people know about this. But you can come up here, come up the ladders, and then you can like jump onto these right here. So, and then what you used to be able to do is jump right here, and this block was over here, and then you could jump right here and block glitch back up, or you could just, cause these pillars weren't here too long ago. I want to see if this is working.
Oh, well.
Well, it eventually will be soon.
Nick's probably in there.
He's right there. Oh, yeah, if you right-click on Nick's head, right-click on the person. Well, if you right-click on Nick's head, usually if there's not someone else on it, usually you can go in. And then it looks like there eventually be, what is it called? Hunger Games. So, the Hunger Games. So... This was basically just like a little preview of Nick's server, and I will put his server in the description, so please comment and subscribe. Bye, guys. Peace.